Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? This is another Tasmania vlog. Yes, I swear Tasmania से बाहर नहीं निकल पा रहे हैं हम लोग. But on this day we are actually going for sledge dog something. It was a sledge dog experience. तो बेसिकली वहाँ पे हम लोगों को जाने के लिए थोड़ा सा जो है वो लॉन्ग रूट लेना पड़ रहा था where we were taking it was like maybe like 2 hours away from where we were. So look at all the beautiful scenic beauty that was on the way. And then we reached to the sledge dog experience place. You can actually book it online. I will leave the link for it in the description. यहाँ पे बेसिकली स्लेज डॉग क्या होता है कि ये एल्सेशियन जो हस्कीज़ होते हैं ये होते हैं एंड देन देयर इज़ अ बगी that they're attached to and they basically drag you and take you for a ride. इतनी लंबी राइड नहीं होती, कोई 2 मिनट की राइड होती है, but it's an experience. I've never sat on something led by dogs and the surrounding area was actually very beautiful. सुबह का वक्त है, as you can see there's a river around the grounds and ये privately owned grounds थे यहाँ पे जहाँ पे ये लोग sledge dog experience कराते हैं and the people who were here they ethically source around maybe like 30-40 dogs इनके पास हैं जो trained हैं to pull the buggy and do the sledge dog experience. तो खैर जाने के बाद अज़र and I were just enjoying the views because किसी और का experience चल रहा था and then we started preparing for our own experience. For us what we had to do was that we carried these raincoats that we put on क्योंकि पिछले दिन ही बारिश हुई थी और काफ़ी ज़्यादा मडी ग्राउंड्स थे और ये इस एक्सपीरियंस में आपके ऊपर मिट्टी और मड बहुत आती है, सो यू डू गेट रियली रियली डर्टी. और फिर उसके बाद जो है ये जो है वो हस्कीज़ थे. यू डू गेट टू इंटरेक्ट विद देम लेटर ऑन आफ्टर द एक्सपीरियंस. आप उनके साथ थोड़ा खेल सकते हैं, उनको प्यार कर सकते हैं, उनसे इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ये जो हस्कीज़ थे ये बच्चे थे, दे वर एक्चुअली इन ट्रेनिंग, दे वर लिटिल पपीज़ बट दे हैड ट्रेंड हस्कीज़ एज वेल फॉर द स्लेज एक्सपीरियंस. सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली द बगी. आगे जो है वो डॉग्स होते हैं ट्रेंड who are pulling the buggy, पीछे उनका owner होता है and then you're just sitting and you're taking a ride. I know it doesn't sound like a lot but if somebody really loves dogs then it would be something fun for you to try. So first they just prepare the dogs. They give them a special feed in the morning as well so that they have enough power to pull an entire human, 2 entire humans and a buggy. And उसके बाद जो है वो उनको tie up करते हैं in place and then this is the protective gear that you wear क्योंकि आँखों में बहुत मिट्टी आती है, बालों में बहुत मिट्टी आती है and then obviously you need a helmet in case आप उस बग्गी से गिर जाएं. And then once they are ready with the dogs you get to sit on the buggy. यहाँ पे तो पता नहीं लड़ाई हो रही थी डॉग्स के बीच में but you get to sit on the buggy and then you go. That's the experience. Basically they make you tour the entire ground on this experience and I am showing you with a little bit of Yusra cam my experience of sledge dog. This is something very unique that I've honestly never seen before, never heard of before, but we saw this sledge dog adventure at Tasmania. We decided to book it and it's actually a lot of fun क्योंकि ये जो कुत्ते भाग रहे होते हैं, बार्क कर रहे होते हैं and आपके ऊपर जो है वो मड और मिट्टी और पता नहीं क्या क्या जो है वो आ रहा होता है and they're just showcasing you the beautiful grounds जहाँ पे ये experience होता है. तो it was actually quite nice. Honestly, I've never done anything like it and it was once in a lifetime experience and I'm glad that we did try it. और ना ही मैंने ज़्यादा लोगों को इंटरनेट पे इसके बारे में बात करते हुए देखा है. So it is something fun. I was really worried if the dogs were treated ethically but then later on they showed us कि किस तरीके से उनको रखते हैं, किस तरीके से खाना खिलाते हैं. यहाँ पे आपको पता है एनिमल क्रूल्टी वाला तो इतना चक्कर नहीं है. पीटा वुड कम आफ्टर देम at any time if there was any kind of animal cruelty thing going on but as you can see it's like really really bumpy. Next we did go to another hiking place and over here the first thing that we did was यहाँ पे जो ना 7-8 different hiking की चीज़ें थी जो कि आप कर सकते हैं. You could take different hikes. So first things first we decided to take like a gladiator kind of a thing. It was basically इस तरह का कुछ था. इसके अंदर you can just sit and it takes you around 120 feet up and it shows you जो पूरा पार्क का एक एरियल व्यू है. You get to experience that. So we did this first ताकि हम जो है वो ऊपर से इस पूरे फैसिलिटी को देख सकें. This was I think the Torn Adventures or something like that इसका नाम था. So you get to see, the whole aerial view of the park with the lake, water view. काफ़ी ग्रीनरी है इस पूरी हाइकिंग ग्राउंड में. इट्स लाइक अ नेशनल पार्क ऑफ टास्मेनिया, एंड टास्मेनिया इज़ ऑल अबाउट सेलिब्रेटिंग आउटडोर्स. तो आपने देखा होगा कि जितनी हमारी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, दे आर मोस्टली लिंक टू outdoors. Even though I'm not an outdoor person, but this was actually quite fun, not scary at all. Even though it looks scary, इतने scary नहीं था. And then on the way back, because 2 hours, 2.5 hours की journey थी, when we were going back to our hotel in Launceston, these were the views. और काफ़ी ज़्यादा ठंड हो रही थी. We decided to stop at Mount Wellington viewpoint. I really didn't want to go here क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ठंड लग रही थी, but honestly the views were worth it. Because if you look around, you can see the entire I guess you can see the entire place, entire Hobart from a bird's eye perspective. Launceston में नहीं थे, Hobart में थे. I'm sorry about that, but it was honestly really cold. I could not, like, my brain couldn't function because of how cold it was. And then थोड़ा सा चढ़ के, this is the view over there. It's quite nice, quite breathtaking. It was very very cold. पिक्चर्स ले सकते हैं, लेकिन ऑल्सो मुझे इतनी ठंड लग रही थी कि ना मेरे दिमाग में पिक्चर्स लेना आ रहा था, ना कुछ आ रहा था. बट आई वांटेड टू शो यू गाइज द वाटर व्यूज़ एंड ऑल्सो द एरियल व्यूज़, so that you guys can see कि कितना अच्छा है Tasmania. After that, obviously we were hammered, so we just ate and went to bed. I hope you guys like this. See you guys next.